First look and hands-on of iPhone 15 Pro Max Spigen liquid crystal glitter case. If you're interested in buying this case, you can check the link in the description below. Protect your iPhone 15 Pro Max with this simple, lightweight thermoplastic polyurethane TPU case. It's not just a clear case though. This one is infused with sparkly but tasteful glitter. I just love the look of this case and will keep it in regular rotation. Spigen's liquid crystal glitter iPhone case is quite slim and light, yet it offers some decent protection. It has that touch of whimsy I like, but it's still sophisticated enough to use when I'm dressed up. The case doesn't take away from any of the functionality of the phone, and you can see the Apple logo through the case. The case is thin, just 0.12 inches thick, so it doesn't add a lot of bulk to your phone. The corners of the case have a little something Spigen calls air cushion technology. It looks to be just a little square-shaped indentation in the corners, providing a little extra cushion in case you drop the phone on its corner. I don't mind an inconspicuous logo on my iPhone case, and this one does have Spigen and the logo engraved along one side. That alone would be fine, but for some reason, there's a lot more written on this case. Spigen is a long-time favorite brand amongst the our crew with good reason. The company is known for its great quality cases at great prices. If you don't love glitter as much as I do, Spigen will certainly have a case more in your wheelhouse. The liquid crystal glitter iPhone case is a thin and flexible clear TPU case that is substantive enough to offer your iPhone some protection. It's infused with pretty glitter that adds a touch of glamour.